Off top, run a nigga out his socks. Niggas talk more than bitches, niggas really be on cock though. Just fucked a hoe out in France, paint her face like Picasso. I iced out my vatos, I'm really up. Big ass Beamer, big bands in my Bentley next. Don't play around on my phone, ho, give me sex. Watch on my wrist, out of date, but it's Rolex. Grizzly up next, I'm up now, strap your bullet vest.
550, 600 hundreds, 720s, let's get straight to it. 810s, what's that 8 bands? Hit the store and get some rubber bands, let's get straight to it. Everybody come together, everybody got the plan, he came with you. So if he steal it, fall on you, we on your ass. Hey, your mans, call his mans, make sure they ain't moving fast. Soon as they touch Atlanta, get with both, secure the bag. Hey,
hey, back secure, this on my mama, bro. Hey, some little hoe, she run that big Yokohama, bro. Made that shit double, got a Uzi on scuffle, not a bank, with that bag in my club like an airbag. Niggas only aiming in the sky, try those airbags. All up in them, stopping shit like fuck flag. I'm ballin', ain't there, right, nigga, in the gang that I'm calling up. I need help, all dollars on my skill.
you swear your bitch faithful, she sent her location. I hit her at the trap indicator, she basic. Chop with the laser, get decapitated. Can't smoke, I'm on papers, hold on, this my Jamaica one. Niggas want me dead, so I'm steady praying. Ain't no disrespect without retaliation. Fuck a hotel, I hit her in the basement, text her later like I'm doing too. I got a situation, baby.
Well shit, bro, let me get her there. I'm a dog out the switcheroo to the lion can. Nigga talking down my bro, got more heat than a frying pan. Gucci around my hair, wrap tight like I'm Taliban.
Like I'm Taliban, how we drop shit, you go. Lot of dreadheads, lot of chopsticks. Cause my nigga yachty get your top rich. Don't ask the price if you know you ain't tryna cop shit.
You the type to look around but never cop shit. Ay, I'm the type to buy the store, make no restock it. Ay, been on everything I own, I will not miss. Grizzly by my side, like a pilot riding cockpit.
Yachty, I might stop rapping for this one reason. If the feds hear this shit, I'm doing 100 seasons. In the hood, shooting craps to my Yeezys. But angels on you niggas who be playing like y'all demons.
Middle finger to them niggas hating and faking, they prying on my death like they mother